Yeah. So what is uh, references? So there are two types of references. The first one is relative cell reference, and the second one is absolute cell reference. Now, when I say relative cell reference, it is the standard type of cell reference in Excel. And when you write a formula uh, like this, okay, like if you want to write a, if you want to take a sum of these products or quantity over here, so it will show 220. Okay. Now, if I want this formula to get copied to the next cell, what I will do is I will simply drag.
Drag it.
Okay. However, if you can see over here, the just look at this formula bar over here. Okay. It says sum B2 to B5. Okay.
Yes.
When I select this. Okay. And when I select this, it says sum C2
C2,
to
C5.
C5. Okay. So what has happened is it has, the moment I have shifted the cell to the right, it has automatically updated the range. And that's why I'm seeing the updated or updated number over here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is automatically changing the cell references. So whenever we use this default cell reference or relative cell reference, what will happen is it will automatically update the list or range whenever we copy formula somewhere else. Yeah. Over here, what is happening is when we say some cell B2, you might disconnect audio from the other device, Rishabh. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So for this, what does it mean is it has to sum all the four, all elements in the four rows above it. That is what it mentions. Okay. So whenever I'm clicking over here, it will sum all the elements in the cells in the four rows above it. When I paste the formula here, what it will do is it will sum all the four elements on the rows in the rows above it. Okay, that is what the relative cell reference. And when do we use it? We want to use the relative cell references for most of our calculations, especially when you want to apply same calculation in each row. Okay, so just
Okay,
the
sir.
way we have done it right now, we want sum in all these columns, so we have just applied relative cell reference. Same thing goes here, whether it is column or rows. Now, if I want to calculate the total cells, what I will do is I will calculate quantity, multiplication of quantity and price. And similarly, I will drag it till the last column. Got it?
Yes.
So if you see the range is updating, what does it means is the this cell needs to multiply two columns left to it. It will automatically populate the result. This is about absolute cell reference. Then there is
Okay.
something, sorry, my bad. This is a relative cell reference. Then there is something called as absolute cell reference. In absolute cell reference, uh, what happens is this cell reference is locked to a specific cell. That means no matter you copy the formula, it will always point back to the exact cell. Now, what does it mean is, let me show it to you again by example. Okay, right now we had calculated the sum. So if we select the range directly, it will be a relative reference. But if I add a dollar sign in front of both row and column name in the range. So how do I do that? Let us see. I am adding a call. Can you see this dollar
Yes.
mark? Okay. So it is being added before the column name and before the row number for both the ranges. So that is why we are if we are adding dollar signs before row or before name, the column name, that means we are locking the range and making it an absolute reference. So see, this is 220. Now, if
Okay.
I drag this formula to the next cell, it will still show 220. Earlier, what was happening is, it was automatically updating the range, but right now it is not updating the range. Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So in any cell I copy this formula, my answer is going to be the
220 same.
same. Okay. So let us say if I calculate relative reference, the value might change. But for absolute reference, it is going to be same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now it's up to you whether you want to lock a just a column or just a row or both. So if you want to, lock just a column, then you have to add dollar before the column name. If you want to add just row, you have to add dollar sign in front of the row name. So what would happen is if you drag the formula in this case, I'll show you by example. What does it mean to drag, lock the row or lock the column? Let us say I'm selecting this and I'm just locking the row number. Okay. If I'm locking the row number and if I drag the formula, what will happen is the column will change, but row number would remain the same. Can you see?
Yes.
If I drag it down, it will still show me the same value because it is still referring to the column B and cell 2. Unless I change the column name, it will show the same value. Okay.
Okay.
Same thing goes for the row locking, column locking. Let's say if I am, again, I'll refer back to the column cell B2, and now I'm locking the column. Now, what will happen is if I drag this to my right, it will not change its value. It will still remain the same because row number is same. It has not changed. But if I drag it down, it will change the value because the row number is changing and column number is remaining the same. Got it?
Yes, yes.
That is what we call as the absolute reference. You can either lock both column and row or just a column or just a row. That is up to you depending on what is the requirement. Why I'm
Okay.
saying this is in most of the times while using Excel, you may have to copy and paste the formula. And when you are using this, you have to be absolutely careful about what are the references that you have used. Otherwise, it might end up messing up with entire spreadsheet, and we don't want to do that. Okay. Any doubts so far you have in
No,
this?
sir. No, no, it's clear.
It's clear. Have you used this function earlier?
No, sir. No.
Okay, okay. All right. Now we will will start with the other concept, which is a VLOOKUP. Okay. So what does a VLOOKUP means? Just go over the screen. I'll explain it.
Okay. Oh,
Uh,
yes.
my screen is visible, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Completely
Okay.
visible. The unique value you are looking for, this value must be in the first column of your table array. A to cell, so the product ID. Sir, totally means that only a VLOOKUP read or all the things?
Yeah, read the entire whatever written in the
Okay.
entire page.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. That search all the information is the range dollar sign. That's then the output. Copying the formula. lookups dollars. Sir, what is that we can pronounce column index or what?
Can you repeat? So,
That third one, it's a pronounced by column number index or what, column index number, or what we can say that means pronounce.
yeah, column index number.
Okay, 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 sir. Okay, yes, sir. Gone through.
Got it. So, what is VLOOKUP is basically what happens is many a times in while using spreadsheet, our data lies in different files or different columns or maybe different tables, and we want to bring that data all together. Just to give you an example, sometimes it might happen that you want to calculate the sales. However, the quantity of how many products are sold, that is um, being there in the another table. And how do you bring that together is with the help of the lookup function. Now there are two lookup functions. One is VLOOKUP, second one is HLOOKUP. So what does V over here stands is vertical lookup. That
Okay,
means you have a column over here and you want to look at the value for this respective cell in the another column. Okay, that is where you will use VLOOKUP. I'll explain you in a bit uh, about it. Okay, so let us say this is one table. Okay, and this is another table, but there are certain columns which are same in both these tables. What are these columns? Can you just tell me from the by just looking at it?
that product ID,
Right. Product ID column is same in both the table.
both the tables.
So
Yes,
it is
right.
important that at least one of the columns should be same in both the
Both
tables
the
so that
table. Yeah, right. Yes.
the value can be looked up into it.
Okay.
Now we want a product name over here.
Yes.
Okay. And do we have product name in this table?
Yes.
Okay. We also want a unit
Unit
price.
price.
Do we have it over here?
Yes.
Awesome. So how do we bring product name from the another table to this table is with the help of VLOOKUP. Okay. Now
Okay.
VLOOKUP is another function that we are learning today. So we just have to type VLOOKUP. Then what is the value that we are looking for? So basically, what is the common column in both?
Product and that product name.
Right. Product ID is the common column,
Common. Yes.
right? And we can pull respective value from that. So let us say I want value for uh, product ID P happen 003. Okay, I will
Okay.
click on this value, which is my lookup value.
Okay.
Okay, see, I am using relative reference over here because I am going to copy this formula in all these other cells.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
then I want to find a table array. Okay, what does a
Okay.
table array means? That which whatever table I am looking this value into, I have to select that table, right?
Okay.
Now I am going to select this table which has both product name and unit price. So what I will do is I will click over here. I'll select
Okay.
this entire range. So it has selected from cell A19 to cell C24.
Okay.
Now, this table range is going to be fixed. Okay, it is not going
Okay.
to change wherever I paste this formula. So, When I say the range is going to be the fix, I want to lock this cell, this table range with the help of uh, absolute reference. So what I'll do is I'll simply add dollar sign in front of both row number and column name of this range. Can you see the dollar sign getting
Yes.
added? Okay. Now this was the second part of VLOOKUP. First we chose lookup value. Second we chose table array. Now we also need to see the column index number. What is column index number is uh, from this column which is common in both the tables, what is the column number of the value that we are looking for. Right now we are looking for product name value. Okay, so for product name, what is the column number of product name from this table? This is column 1, this is column 2.
Two.
Okay, this is column 3. You are
Three.
asking about column index number, right? So this is
Yes.
the index number. This is 1, this is 2, this is
Two
3.
and three.
Where is my product name over here? In which column it has? What is the index number of this column? Product name?
Uh, we can say
2,
is a
1, 2, 3.
one two C2.
No, index
Sorry.
number.
Uh,
Index number can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yes.
Like
Yes.
we are not talking about the. This will be index number 2.
Two. Yes.
So I'll put 2 over here. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
out of lookup value, we have selected the lookup value. Out of table array, we have selected the table array. Out of column index number, we have given the column index number. Got it?
Yes.
Now there is this last part, which is important. So you have to give, specify whether you want approximate match or an exact match. While using Excel, in 99% of the cases, you will always use the exact match. You will
Okay.
hardly use the approximate match. So always select false unless explicitly needed. I'll explain what the true, uh, I mean, what will happen if we put true, but let us understand why you should be using false all the time. Okay, let us use false. Okay, so we have all the parameters over here. So if you see, the syntax for the function will always be shown while you are writing the formula, and whatever value you have entered, that value will be bolded. Okay, so can you see the range lookup? It has been bold.
Yes.
Okay, now I close the parenthesis and hit enter. So can you see the value is updated,
Yes.
right? Now, if I have to drag this formula down, I can still do that.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means over here, my cell name is updated, but my range is still remaining the same. So if product number P001, what is it? It is showing laptop. For P005, it is showing webcam. Now, similarly, we also want to pull unit price. How do we pull unit price? Now you tell me. Rishabh. First of all, what will I do is,
That means that formula applied. Same VLOOKUP formula is there, sir?
right now we want to check it vertically. So we will use VLOOKUP.
Okay.
Okay. First, I want to find unique price for which product ID?
The keyboard.
Keyboard is the product name. What is the product ID?
Uh, Product ID P3.
P3, right? So first I'll select lookup value.
Okay.
Okay. Then what I'll select? See over here, you can just see what do we need to select.
Okay. Then table array.
table array. Okay. So where is this table? Over here.
Okay, the complete table is there, sir.
Complete table. I'll select.
Yes.
Then what I will do is after selecting table array, I will lock the table range.
Okay.
Right.
And sir, how to lock?
Yeah. So in keyboard, there is a, you must be seeing these function keys F1, F2, F3, right?
Yes, yes.
So to lock the table, uh, to lock the range, you have to click on F4, function F4.
F4.
Okay. So if you click F4 once, if you press the F4 once, it will lock both rows and column. Okay. If you
Okay.
click it once again, it will lock just rows. If you click it once again, it will lock just columns. Okay.
Okay.
So first press, uh, both rows and columns will get locked. Second press, just rows will get locked. And in third, just the column will get locked. And if you press it once again, it will unlock everything.
Okay.
So basically, it is like this. So we are right now we are just concerned about locking the table range, entire table range with both columns and cells locked. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we have locked the table array. What next? We have to add in the formula.
And column index number
Okay. And what is the index number for this particular column over here? Is
sorry, 3.
3. And after that, what do we want?
Exact match.
Exactly. We could get the value or the unit price for product P003. Now, how do we bring it down?
Just drag it.
We can drag it. Got it?
Yes.
Simple. Any doubt in VLOOKUP?
No, 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 sir.
Okay. So what happens is VLOOKUP always uh, pulls the value which is on the right of the table. That means over here, any value on the right of this column, you will be able to pull. But if there is a value which is on the left of this column, you will not be able to pull it. That is the limitation of VLOOKUP. Let us say if you want to pull product ID from this product name, which is there already there in this table. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
But it is lying in the left of this product name called. So if I apply VLOOKUP over here in this column, we will not be able to pull it.
Okay.
Okay. But if I want to pull this value of unit price from this table, I can do that because unit price is on the right
Right
of this
side.
column.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes,
this
yes.
is the limitation of VLOOKUP.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay. But there are ways to overcome it, which I will explain in a bit. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubts so
No,
far?
no, it's very much clear, sir.
Now, there is something which is called as H lookup. Okay, let's solve this first. Are you able to open the Google Sheets?
Yes, just a minute, sir. Yeah, sir.
So, have you uploaded the file on Google? And are you able to open the spread same file?
So
Rishabh,
open, yeah, but I can't upload, sir.
do you not have upload option? Can you see? Can you share your screen by any chance?
Yes, just a minute, sir. I'll share.
Okay. So what you have to understand is some functions might change a little bit depending on the spreadsheet tool that we are using. Right now we are using the Google Sheet. Uh, Earlier we were looking at Microsoft Excel. Okay,
Excel.
some
Yes.
functions might change here and there, but almost they will be same. Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Right.
So we want to see employee ID. I mean, first name for employee ID we need to check. So what is the search key over here or the value? Employee ID, right?
Employee ID. Okay. That A
No,
8.
no. Employee ID is left to what we are looking at. No. It is a single value. Yes, 104,
Okay. 102 or okay. 8282. Right.
right? Now, comma. Give a comma. What is it now? Range. Range is the table range below.
Select complete table.
Yes. No. Complete table till department. Yeah.
Okay. Then F4.
Yes.
No,
No.
sir. It's
Function.
no.
Function plus F4.
Okay.
Function
Okay.
key.
Function plus F4. Okay.
Yeah, it has locked. Okay.
Okay.
Now, comma. Index.
Index.
What is the index? One, two, three, four.
Now, what? Not what we can select now.
So you want to select first name, right?
First name means
First name is
that two.
which two, right? Right, two, comma. Now we want to write either true or false. What we will use is false, right? False, FALCE. Sorry, SE. My bad. Yeah, close the bracket. Shift and zero. Yeah, enter.
Shift
Yeah, the bracket is closed now.
shift and zero.
Yeah, the bracket is closed.
Shift and zero or enter directly enter.
Yeah, now enter.
Okay.
I was saying for closing the bracket, you have to press shift and zero. Now you have to drag the formula. It is giving auto suggestion to autofill. Yeah, you can do that. See, you were able to pull the first name with the help of
Okay.
VLOOKUP. Now, can you do the same for last name and department?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
First, we can say the last name for that is equal to applied in same bracket, sir. Formula.
yeah, similar formula you will have to apply.
Okay. Uh, we look up. Then What the last name? Okay, last name.
Employee ID is something that we
Sriram.
will be using to pull the value.
Okay. Employee ID again. Select 104.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, sir, just a minute. Huh? Sorry, sir.
Yeah. No worries. Go ahead. You're doing great. Almost there.
Then index 3. Sir, after 3, there is again
True
comma.
or false? Yeah.
Okay, 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 okay. Uh, Firstly, bracket close or applied formula directly.
No, you have to write in the false over there. Comma.
Okay. Okay, okay.
False. Close the bracket. Okay. Now, what has changed between first and last name formula when we were selecting it, when writing it down? Go to the left. Let's say go on the name Anya.
Okay.
Okay. Just look at the formula bar. Okay. On the
Okay.
top. What has changed? What is the reference number over here? Index.
Uh, A3.
No, index number, column index number.
Okay. Column index number, right?
What is it? It is 2.
Yes.
Okay. In the last name, what is it? In the next column?
Last
Go.
name in what? Sorry, sir. I can't hear you.
In the next cell, what is the index number?
Next cell, the index number is 3.
3, right? So you
Yes.
have, if you see, you have just changed the index number over here. Everything else in the formula remains same.
Okay. Means that 2 instead of 2.
Your no, no, your the formula that you have just written in it, it is 3. In the last name, it is 3. In the first name, it is 2. Yeah,
Okay.
click over there.
In formula.
Yeah, just click on on the name Sharma.
Sure. Okay.
What is changed? Just the index number.
Index number. Yes.
Okay. Now apply same. What will change in department now? When you enter, when you are finding out the departments, what
Then
will
index number. I think
what will it become?
so 4.
Okay. Right. Can you see the when you change the index number, it has changed to cells.
Yes.
Okay. So can you do that in the department column? Place Control Z.
in department column.
Yeah, press undo once, Control Z,
Control C.
Z. Any luck? Or just do undo from the cells. I mean, from the ribbon over here. Can you see the second option? Go up,
Which one?
left, extreme left, left, left side. You're going to right.
Okay, sorry, sorry.
Yeah, this.
Again, once again.
Yeah, that's it. No, that's it.
Okay.
Now pull all the values in department for me.
Department complete.
No, I want to find the department for employee IDs, right? Apply the lookup formula. Press Ctrl Z. Yeah, undo. Once again. Apply the formula in department. Yeah, D2.
We look up then. Sir, is it correct?
Just a second.
Hello.
Yeah. Uh, no, you will have to use the employee ID, right, as the reference, which is cell A2.
Okay, 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 okay. Firstly,
Search key, which is 104,
okay, okay. First employee ID, then
comma.
range. It's
Mm,
complete range. Then lock. Okay. Uh, Sir, select department or directly applied formula means directly applied false.
uh, no, you have to select the index number, no column index number over here. So it will be 4
Okay, sorry. For then
false.
okay.
Got it?
So can I try once more?
Yeah,
One
yeah,
more time.
yeah, you can do that. Do it in the T1 example, the tab before this.
P1 example. Okay.
Yeah, just,
Here.
yeah.
is equal to VLOOKUP. Then firstly select order ID.
No. What is common in both these tables?
Okay, common that
What is the
product ID,
common call?
product
Product
ID
ID.
and okay, product ID and product name. So we can select product ID.
Right. Click on comma.
Then
Then what will you do? Select.
index
Okay. Then what will you do?
log
Yes. Comma.
comma.
Then what will you do? Index number, which is
Then index number is 2.
then
Then comma. Let's bracket close. And same with unit price, right, sir? Is equal to same applied
hmm,
same formula.
right.
Lookup. Then let's see, comma. mm, two. So where is mistake happened?
You have to select the range, right?
Okay. Then comma.
Hmm. Index number. What is the index number?
Index number. Oh,
Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? For index number, you have to refer to the other table, okay? The table which is below.
okay.
So what is the
What
unit
we can say
price?
product name? It's index 2.
And for unit price, it is, if product 2 is index 2, a product name is index 2, what is the unit price? What is the index for unit price? 3.
Unit price is 3.
Okay, so instead of 2, write 3,
Okay. We can say okay, okay, okay. So, okay, 3, comma,
comma, false.
false, false, bracket close. Okay, yes.
Got it?
Yes, yes, sir, yes.
Awesome. Yeah, should we move ahead?
Yes, sure, sure.
Okay. Now, okay, we have some one more challenge. What happens is, what is HLOOKUP is its job is to search value in the top row of the table and return the corresponding value from the other row. So this is the syntax for HLOOKUP, which is lookup value, table array, and row index number, and followed by range lookup. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Rishabh, are you there?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Don't drop or drop in between. Okay. So this is very important concept, which is HLOOKUP. So earlier, Rishabh, what we have seen is it was vertical lookup. We were looking value from the different tables vertically. Now we will be looking values horizontally. Okay. The syntax is pretty much same. We have to select the lookup value first, then followed by the table array. And earlier we were looking for column index number. You remember 2, 3, 4 you were entering, Rishabh?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So now instead of column index number, we will be entering row index number and followed by the range lookup, whether it's true or false. We'll just try to see it with the help of example. Okay. Yeah. So let us say I want to find the value of sales for March. Okay. But where is my function? Where is the value in March? It is over here. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So how do I find the value for cells in March? I will use a function called HLOOKUP because this value is sitting below March. It is in the same column, not in the same row. For VLOOKUP, the value generally is sitting in the same row. In HLOOKUP, it is sitting in the same column. Okay. So for this, what I'll do is I'll enter the function which is HLOOKUP. Then what I'll do is I'll find the lookup value which is March. Then I'll enter comma. Then I will enter a table array which is this column. Then I'll make it absolute reference with the help of uh, function f4. Then the row index number. So over here, cells is the second row from the reference value, which is 2. Then I'll click on false. Can you see? I have pulled successfully value for the month of March and its corresponding cells, which is 62,000. Any doubts so far,
No, sir.
Rishabh? Okay. So similarly, if I want to find value for April and how many units are sold, how would I do it using HLOOKUP? Mayur, do you want to tell me?
What, sir?
So I want to calculate value for units sold. The value is already there. Okay, it is 290. How can I bring this value over here?
Hookup.
HLOOKUP. Then
uh,
what is the value I'm looking for?
58,000. March.
No, I'm looking for April. Can you see this April?
Oh, yes, yes. Sorry, sorry. April.
This is the lookup value. I'll select it.
Yes, yes.
Then where is this value? April.
April 58,029. Select
Yeah,
all.
okay. So I will select this.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then there is something called as cell references, absolute and relative. Right now we will be using absolute cell reference. So we will lock this range with the help of adding dollar sign in front of row number and column name. So this is row number and column name. I will add a dollar sign for both. Now, unit sold is what is the index of units sold? I mean, what is the number of uh, row in which the unit sold is there. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Can you see this unit sold here?
3.
This is
Yes.
3. And now I want to find exact match, which is 290. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Now let us try to practice it. So Mayur and Rishabh, can you just give it a shot over here? So this is your task for uh, just open this tab called T2 practice in the worksheet, in the spreadsheet, and in a separate cell use HLOOKUP to find YTD cells for South region. So this is the region and this is YTD cells. So why don't you calculate this value over here and let me know the steps you followed. Let us do that quickly in 5 minutes. Rishabh, you want to share your screen while doing it?
Sir, is internet connection is low due to power cut. That's why I
Okay.
can't share.
Mayur, you want to share the screen?
Sir, I'll join in my phone, sir. Lap is
Okay.
service.
Okay, laptop is not there. Okay, just can you? I'll just type in. Just tell me what to do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Can you tell me what formula to put in over here? So you understood the task. Okay. This is South. I want to calculate YTD sales for South region.
Sir, is equal to H lookup.
Mm-hmm.
Then we can find that YTD field of South region. Then select that all
No. First, what value we are looking for?
Y.
No.
Right to
Uh,
this thing.
sorry, 4
Read this. What does it say?
Y
South region.
YTD cell of South region.
Yeah. So what value I'm looking for? In which column I'm looking for? South.
Uh, D.
South.
Yes.
This is my lookup value.
South.
Yes.
Okay. So Mayur and Rishabh, try to understand we are looking values horizontally. That means we'll be looking at value just in same column. Okay. So in VLOOKUP, we looked at value in the different columns, but same row.
Okay.
In HLOOKUP, we will be looking
Okay.
values in the same column, but different row. Okay. So what is the value we are looking for? It's South. Next, the table array. What is the range that I'll have to select over here, Rishabh?
Uh, that the South
Sorry, go ahead.
that complete South table. Sorry, D completed it. Yes.
This south column, right? Then what will I do next?
Yes. Lock. Uh,
I'll lock it. Then what is the row
lock
index?
the table. Then comma.
Hmm.
Uh, then
Row index number.
fourth row of the table.
Fourth row, right? I'll give fourth.
Fourth
Then
row. Yes.
False.
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 See, I could pull the value.
Yes.
2 lakh 91,000, 2 lakh 91,000. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let us do it for something else now. Let us say I want to understand how much sales David did. Okay. Uh, why? So I want to find YTD cells for David. Now, how would I find it? Again, the same formula.
is
What is
equal
the
to HLOOKUP
is equal to
is
H
equal
lookup?
to
Then,
Lookup.
HLOOKUP.
then,
Then what we can find David.
mm-hmm,
Okay.
David from here. Yeah.
To
Next, table array.
comma and select yes, comma and complete select the complete table.
No,
Table E.
table E from where? From here, here, or here? What is the value I'm looking for?
YTD. What is that?
YTD cell.
And for
YTD cells.
for whom am I looking for? What
David.
is my lookup value?
David.
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 So where should I select my range from?
YTD cells to
Hmm, to
David.
David, right?
Yes.
What next? After selecting the range, what will I do?
Log.
Lock it. Then what is my row
log.
index number?
Uh, Fourth.
Fourth one and false
Row,
applied.
row index number. How much will it be in this case? Again, same question. For whom am I calculating YTD cells?
David.
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 Okay. So for David, I'm calculating YTD cells, and YTD cells uh, has, where is the YTD cells? If I say it from over here, this is row number. Row index number for David will be 1. Row index number for target. Okay.
Okay.
Row
Fourth.
index number for target will be 2, and row index number for YTD cells will be,
Fourth.
no, it will be 3, right? We have select, just look at
Okay.
this
Okay.
difference.
Yes. 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 Third number.
It will be 3.
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, you got it? How we have come up with 3?
Yes, yes, sir.
Then false.
Then false.
Okay. So reference number is something you will have to be very, cautious while entering it. If you mess up with the reference number, let's say if you would have entered 4 over here, you would have messed it up. Or instead of 4, if you would have entered 2, again the value would have got wrong. So column reference or row reference number is very important to do while uh, calculating H or V lookup. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any doubts so far?
No, no, sir. Completely.
No
No,
doubt.
sir.
V lookup and H lookup, both of them are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So just go over it. This is the third concept that we are looking for today, which is called as index and match function. So what is that limitation, Rishabh, we saw for VLOOKUP?
That what we can say, sir, left side. We can't say select.
Yeah. So we cannot find the values which are lying in the left side of the table, right?
Yes, yes.
That is the limitation, and that limitation can be uh, overcome with the help of two functions, with the combination of two functions. So the first function is match function. So what is the uh, job of match function is to find the position of an item in the single list. Okay. So let us say this is A, B, C, D. So what is the this job of match function is to find the position. Let's say if this is the table, And if I want to find the value of 3, what would be value of C over here? The position of C from the top. 1, 2, and 3.
Mm.
Are you with me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the position of C in this column? 3.
Yes.
3 from
Yes,
the
sir.
top. So what I'll do is, let's say if I want to calculate find the position of C, I will look it up over here, and for exact match I'll put 0. See, can I find what do you see over here? 3,
Yes, sir. Three number.
right? So
Yes.
that is what match function gives. Match function returns the value of the position of the item in a list. Then the second one is index function. So what is the role of index function? Is to return a value from a table based on its coordinate. When we say coordinate, it means row and column number. Now I will explain this with the help of another example. And when we use it, what happens is we first use we use combination of both index and match function. The uh, syntax starts with index, then we will find we'll enter range where the answer is, then we'll find will cascade it with the match function. I'll explain you with the help of this example so that you will understand. Now again we have these two tables, table number 1 and table number 2. So our goal is to find the unit uh, price for product ID P003. Okay, so we want to find this unit price for this product ID P003. Do we have it over here? Yes, we have it. So what we will do over here is, first we will write index function, then we will select this array, we will lock it, then we will write a match function. Then what value we are looking for is P003. Then this is our lookup array. Okay, I think we have messed up with the formula a little bit. Okay, let us first calculate in the same order. First we will find the position of it, and then we'll add it in the index. I know it is a bit confusing. Let us try to break it down accordingly. So we want to calculate it for P003, and where do we want to find P003? Over here. And I will lock the range, then I'll enter exact match. It is a simple number. Can you see P003? It has returned 4, which is the position of this P003, which is the fourth position of it in this column. Now I want to find the unit price for this P003 using combination of index and match function. We already have an index match function in which by using which we calculated the uh, position. Now let us find the value with index. So now we already have a position, we just have to pass on the array for this and enter comma. Okay, you can always log this range, and that's it. See, this is the value for P003 which we pulled from this table. Rishabh, Mayur, is it confusing?
No, sir.
Sir, little bit, little. Sir.
Little bit confusing. Yeah, I understand that.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So it is the combination of what? Index and match function. Okay, right now that is what we are learning. Okay. So match will help you to find the coordinates, which means row number. So with match, what you can do is you calculate row number. So let us say if we want to calculate the unit price for column for this P003, first thing that we'll have to do is to calculate what is this uh, row number of P003 in this table. So can we calculate row number of P003 in this table first? Let us do that with the help of match function. What is the value we are looking for? P003. Are you with me till here?
Sir,
Rishabh?
for position, sir. Product ID.
Right. So first we will calculate the row number of P003 in this array. So now I'll select this lookup array and lock it, and I want exact match. So I'll enter 0. Did I get
Okay.
4?
Yes, sir.
Now this 4, I will use whatever result I have got this for calculation. I will pass that in the other function, which is index. Now, when I say index, what is the syntax for index? Which is we have to select the array and the row number. So now what I'm trying to find is over here is unit price for P003. Got it?
Yeah.
So where do I find unit price over here? In this table. Got it? This is the unit price.
Yes, sir.
Now I have already calculated the row number. So if I let's say this, I say I want to find the unit price for row number 1. What is the row number 1? This is unit price itself. If I want to calculate the unit price for row number 2, this is row number 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you with me till here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I say I want to select row number 3. What is the row number 3? 1, 2, 3. What is 3? What does it say?
$300.
300. And if I say $300 is the unit price for which product ID?
P002.
P002, right?
Yes.
Similarly, if I pass on 4 over here, 4, what does the row number 4 stand for? Which product ID is it for?
P003. 75 rupees. Dollars.
P003. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this 4 I have already calculated from match
Okay.
function.
Yes. Hmm.
Did I get $75
Yes.
over here? I will do it once again for the next one. First, I want to find this product ID. Okay, let us say P001. What is the position of P001 in this column? What do you think it is? P001, what is the position of P001 over here?
2 number.
2 number,
Sir,
right?
in first, yes.
2 number. So let us try to find that. The answer is something that we want is 2. Let us try to find it with the help of match function. Okay, match. What is the first value that we'll find?
Lookup
Lookup.
value.
What do I want to find?
Look,
P0
P00,
P1.
right? And where do I want to find it? Over here,
lookup array.
right? This lookup array. I will select this range. After selecting the range, what I'll do is I'll lock
Lock.
it. Then
Lock the table.
I
Yes.
want exact match. For exact match, I'll enter 0. I will close it.
Yes.
So what is the answer we should get over here is 3.
Hmm.
The position of P001, sorry, P001 is 2. We should get 2
2.
over here as an answer.
Yes.
Did we get it?
And unit price.
Right? We have received 2 as an output for this formula. Clear till here how we have used match function to find the position of it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, again, what we want to do is we want to calculate unit price for P001 in this table. How do we calculate it? Is using index function. Index. What is the array where the unit price is lying? It is this. Got it? Rishabh, Mayur, are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now I have to pass on the row number. So what is the row number of P001 over here? Number 2,
Number 2.
right? So I can either write number 2 over here, or what I can do is I can write a match function inside this. Then I will put this lookup value and then lookup array. I think I messed up with something. Yeah, I did it the other way around. Sorry for that. Yeah. So there are multiple ways of doing it, but we can do pull the value with the help of index and match function as well. Okay. Now you will have to practice it first, because without you doing practice and me just doing it, you may not understand what we are trying to do over here.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
try calculating it with the help of index and match function. So uh, you already have this spreadsheet with you. Just give it a try. So if you are not able to just cascade the formula, do it in parts. First calculate index, then first calculate the match function. With the help of match function, you will be able to get the row number, and with the help of row number, you will be using that your row number in the index function. Okay, you have
Yes,
to
sir.
do it because once you start doing it, you will start understanding uh, where and how you can use it. Okay, I know the concept is little bit of confusing, but once you give it a shot, you will understand it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Rishabh. Now, just the
Yes, sure, sir.
last part that I want to cover today is in VLOOKUP we had this limitation where we are not able to find the value which is on the left of the table, right? Rishabh, Mayur, we have just seen this in the VLOOKUP.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us say I want to find the product ID for webcam. Okay, if I say select webcam over here, I cannot do that because the product ID is sitting at the left of the product name in this table, right? So I cannot put 1 or 2 over here. So I will not be able to calculate this value with the help of lookup, VLOOKUP. So for this, I will use the combination index and match. Okay. For index, I will type in this array. Then what I will do is I will pass on match. I will pass on this value and this. Exact match and I'll close the index function. See, I could find the value looking at the left of this table, which is P005. Is my value matching over here with the product name and product ID? Yes, it is. Same formula I
Yes.
can drag over here as well. So this is how with the help of index formula, index and match formula or function, you can find the value which is at the left of the table. This is the shortcoming of VLOOKUP which we could overcome over here. Now, any doubts, Rishabh or Mayur?
Sir, how is
Sir,
it log the index?
Yeah, this one, right? The dollar sign.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Yes, sir.
So you have to use a button F4 on your keyboard. F4.
Cut. Or control plus, sir, shift plus, sir.
No, just F4. Either you
Okay,
can
okay,
press direct F4 or function
okay,
F4. Okay, that would depend how your laptop's keyboard is function.
okay,
So
okay, sir.
let's say if I just press F4, it will change my brightness. But if
Okay,
I press Control F function F4, it will log the range.
okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
no, sir. No.
Rishabh?
This
Okay.
topic is bit confusing, but as such, there is no doubt, sir.
Yeah, this is a bit confusing, but once you practice it today after the session is done,
Yes, sure, sure,
your
sir.
concept will get clear. Right now, most of the time it was me who was demonstrating you, but unless you practice it on your own, it won't happen. And from tomorrow onwards, please try
Yes,
to
sure, sure, sir.
have these things ready. I mean, whether the spreadsheet open or a laptop, because the purpose of us having this session is just a second.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Sir, I know what is the timing of evening or morning, sir?
It's morning 7 to 9.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, sir. ठीक.
Okay. So
Okay, sir.
please
Okay.
have this handy because otherwise it will get confusing and you will not understand anything.
No,
Okay.
no, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And sir,
Yes, sir.
please share this recording session, sir.
Yeah, by today end of the day you should be able to get it.
Yes, means we can practice it. If any
Right.
difficulty is there, so we can refer that recording sessions.
Definitely. So if by the time you get the recording, okay,